Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how we can change a status on quotes on Gekko accounting software. If, for example, customer haven't approved online or declined a quote, how we can mark it manually on Gekko accounting software. We need to go to our quotations list, and clicking on three dots we can change status. And here we can select either rejected, accepted or invoiced. If this has been rejected, we change status and we go back to our list of quotations. We can see that status has been rejected. We can change status again if later it's been like green light been given and it's been approved. Then we can accept or mark it as invoiced. So if we change rejected to accepted, change status, and we go back to our quotations, status has been changed to accepted. Please note that once it has been accepted, from this status, only thing what we can change is to invoiced. We cannot change it back to declined or rejected. So this is a way how we can change status of a quote on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.